Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad to have you here for a new survival trap video. Today I will show you how to modify an half moon trap that is very common all around the world. This modification will greatly increase the effectiveness of the trap to catch rats and other rodents. This is the trap as I bought it. Let's see how it works. As you can see, it's a steel trap with powerful springs. Very powerful. You open the jaws, turn the latch over the mobile jaw, and lock it in place into the bait holder trigger. When the rat touches the bait, the latch is freed, and the jaws snap shut, killing it. Everything is okay, but when it snaps, the mouse is in the center of the trap, so the jaws will close on its lower back, or could even miss the animal if it is a very small mouse. As you can see, the center of the trap is at 10 centimeters 4 inches from the jaws, as the trap has a diameter equal to 20 centimeters 8 inches. We can modify the trap so that it will close on the neck of the mouse, even if it is a small one, and it will be much more sensitive. This will improve a lot the success ratio, and we will get cleaner kills. We have to make a longer trigger that snaps as soon as the rat enters the jaws. All we need is a wire recovered from a common wire hanger, 3 times longer than the diameter of the trap. In my case, 60 centimeters, 24 inches. Using round pliers, make a small loop at one end of the wire. It has to be wide enough to freely rotate on the spring of the trap. Then bend the wire to follow the curve of the jaws. There is no need to be extremely precise, but try to do your best. That's okay for me. Let's move on. Bend the wire around the other spring to make a loop. Like the first one, also this has to freely rotate on the spring in the end. Pass the end of the wire inside the jaws to close the loop. Now that the trigger is done, bend again the wire towards the center of the trap to make the catcher. Make a very wide angle in the center to catch the latch of the trap. Wrap the wire on itself to close the catcher. Then pass the end under the trigger bar and bend it upward to make the bite holder. Make some adjustments and trim the end of the wire a little shorter. Let's try the new trigger. Watch your fingers. No, the original latch is too short for it. We need to make a new one. This is a couple of centimeters longer and should be okay. Let's make another try with the new latch. Now the latch is long enough and works fine, but we have to angle the catch to be released when the trigger is pushed down. Okay, we are almost there. Let's set it air sensitive. The catch bar holds only the tip of the latch. As soon as the mouse enters the trap a couple of centimeters, the trigger is disturbed and the jaws close on its neck. Great! As you can see, I let the original trigger and latch in place, so that I can use the trap in two ways, the old and the new style. We can adjust and trim the bite holder at its final length now. And we are done. Some final test. The new trigger and the old trigger. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and check my traps playlist. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, thank you for watching.